Have you ever wanted to bring your ideas to life in 3D? Whether it's for engineering, product design, or personal projects, Solidworks is the go-to software for transforming sketches into detailed real-life world models. Solidworks is one of the most widely used 3D CAD software tools in engineering and product design. Mastering it opens doors to numerous industries like automotive design, aerospace, consumer products, and more. SolidWorks allows for precision in design, creating professional grid models, and simulating how they'll function in real-world scenarios. Using SolidWorks is an innovative way of converting 2D drawing into real-life objects that fulfill a purpose in daily activities. In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through the materials needed to draw the model, and the simple steps on how to create this simple yet fundamental angled bracket model using SolidWorks. First, we will touch on the materials necessary to make the angled bracket. Find a computer or system that meets or exceeds SolidWorks' minimum system requirements for smooth performance. Try and obtain a mouse or an easier navigation and more precise control within the SolidWorks interface. Ensure that you have the software installed and licensed on your computer. Well, now that we have the materials and equipment needed to create the drawing, let's move on to the simple steps. To finally create our bracket, we must follow some simple steps that will help us meet our final goal. Start by opening a SolidWorks and creating a new part. Select the appropriate plane, in this case the front plane, and set the units to inches, since the dimensions on the drawing are in inches. Select the front plane and begin by drawing a 2D L shape using the line tool. While doing this, make sure the lines are straight. Then, use the Smart Dimension tool to set the correct dimensions to 2 inches by 1.2 inches. As we make this, we can also see that we must correct our height and make it 0.5 inches to both sides of the L shape. Then we can move on to our extrude and extrude the base sketch to 1.5 inches using the Extrude Boss base face feature on the SolidWorks. After doing this, we use the extruded cut to remove the material from the appropriate sections. Draw a rectangle on the top face for the first cut. Dimension it to a drawing specs 0.5 inches long and 0.5 inches high. Use the cut feature to remove this section, adjusting the depth as needed, in this case around 0.2 inches. Once again, we select the top face and draw a rectangle for a second cut. This time the dimensions are going to be 1 inch high and 0.5 inches long. Now, using the extrude cut feature once again, we can remove the unwanted face. In this case, we select through all to remove all the material. Now, as we can see, we have our completed piece. Now we hit Ctrl 7 on our keyboard to see our finished product. To revise our product, we can click Evaluate and click Mass Properties, when we can see that mass is 0.06 pounds. Once you try it at home, you can see that our mass will be the same. Now that we have created a piece in SolidWorks, we can obtain 2D drawings and make them usable in the real world. This is just one of many projects you can create with SolidWorks. The more you practice, the more complex designs you'll be able to tackle. And remember, every great product starts with a solid design foundation. Thanks for watching, everyone.